I'm Jonathan from Colorado Medical Solutions. Just want to do a quick testimonial video. Can you just introduce yourself real quick? Give us your quick little elevator speech.
Okay, well, my name is Erik Meek. I came here with a number of different damaged areas in my body. I've had 62 surgeries, so any and every little bit of stuff that I can get done helps. And since coming here, I've noticed a lot of better range of motion. I've noticed swelling that's gone down. I've noticed less pain in certain areas. This through multiple injections, of course, in multiple sites, but overall difference has been, I'd say, probably pretty significant compared to where I first started coming in just a few months ago.
That's great to hear. What areas did you have treated?
My knees, my shoulders, and 3 areas of my back.
Okay. And what have you noticed the biggest difference in?
Probably my mid-back, where the majority of my pain is at this point. I came in before where every time I twisted and turned, I could feel sharp pains or, the solid thud type pains, and now it's not as often and not nearly as severe as it was, 3-4 months ago.
Good to hear. And then would you recommend this treatment to anyone else?
Oh, absolutely.
All right.
It's much better than painkillers, that's for sure.
All right. Well, thank you for your time. Is there anything else you want to add?
The staff and the people here are great, and I actually look forward to when I come in versus a lot of my other doctor appointments. So, and today being the day before Halloween, everybody's dressed up, so it's even more festive and fun.
All right, Eric. Thank you very much.